ko alam how we survived yung import nila. No? Played a monster game, 49 points. Medyo napagod lang siguro nung bandang huli. But si Berto, si Bolly also was a headache for us. So what we try to do is we just try to hang in there. Sabi ko, dikit lang tayo. Sa ganda ng nilalaro ng import. Tapos may support naman sa local. Maybe at some point they'll tire out. Maybe they'll miss some shots. That's gonna be our opportunity to get our own run. Which actually happened. We got a run pero naubos din bago mag-overtime. They really got a run back. But these games are good for us. These games are also good for the fans. Something to enjoy. So we'll see. We have a chance at San Miguel on Thursday. We'll see if we can still play for the #1 spot in our group. I think we have a chance at that. So we'll keep trying. But to us, the most important thing tonight, sabi ko sa kanila, gusto lang natin maka 6 wins tayo. Kasi pasok tayo sa quarterfinals pag maka 6 wins tayo. So the most important thing for us was just win the game. Overtime man yan, 1 point man yan, 20 points man yan. Importante lang manalo tayo para makalook forward tayo sa playoffs. So we accomplished that tonight. So but we only have a day break before our next game. So we have to focus on San Miguel this time.
Thank you, Coach Yeng. Now, Anton, you had a 14-point explosion in the first quarter. What was it with this game that inspired you to play with a sense of urgency and at the same time sustain it up until the final moment?
Siguro for me, just to stay aggressive. Si Coach Yeng naman is known to give all his players opportunities. And sinasabi niyo yun sa amin from the moment he stepped into the Rain or Shine. So, ako ready lang ako whenever my number is called and to just be aggressive.
Thank you, Anton. Now we would like to open the floor to our friends from the media.
Coach, ang dami na namang heroes sa si Fuller, 25 rebounds, si Mapong. Ano masasabi ko to si sustain effort ng team even after that defeat sa
Kaya sa amin, importante kasi yung just being ready when you're given an opportunity. Among all the teams, we probably have the longest rotation. So, psychologically and physically, the guys are prepared to execute whenever they're given the opportunity. And also, sabi ko nga, NLEX was trying to play at our pace. That's our pace. Sabi ko, pagdating ng endgame dito, we should be a little fresher than they are. We should be able to sustain the pace that we're used to. Sila naman, tingin ko, they try to keep up with us, but at a certain point, siyempre kung ano yung pace mo na ma-dictate mo, be able to dictate the pace, I think is also important. I think that's our biggest advantage, is to be able to sustain our pace for 4 quarters. At yun nga, papalit-palit sila. Actually, may time na magandang laro ni Anton, tapos kahit si Felix, ang ginamit namin, he stayed in there, contributed. Si Jonard, certain point, Fuller all game long, and then si Adrian ulit lumandang ulit. To me, that's a good sign of a team that's willing to compete. We're all competing.
Coach, update lang po kay Andre Canao. Bakit po
Walang problema si Andre. Gumanda lang laro talaga ni Anton. So, kinain niya yung play ni Andre. Eh, gano'n naman talaga. Pag maganda naman laro ni Andre, kinakain naman yung playing time. So, mag-uubusan lang sila ng playing time.
Anton, yung paggamit kay Andre today's game, how did you parang feel that way na kumbaga yung usual output ni Andre kung gumawa ito today's game?
Siguro just playing the right way. Si Coach Cheng, everyday niya naman sinasabi sa amin kung ano yung gusto niyang style of play namin. So, sinasabi niya, anyone he puts in, and alam mo, walang first, walang second, walang third, pantay-pantay lang kami. So, just happy na we got the win kasi nga, it secures us a slot in the quarterfinals. And hindi rin naman magkanta yung laro kung may sa Pilipinas.
Coach, for you personally, how good of a problem is it na kahit sino yung ilagay mo, whether it's Anton or it's Andre, they're able to produce in that spot for you guys?
And that gives us a lot of flexibility sa team. Also keeps the morale of the guys high. Kasi alam nila, hinahanap talaga namin sila ng opportunity na mag-shine sila without sacrificing the results of the game. But at a certain point, kailangan sumugal sa player. So, the reason we're able to use 10, 11, 12, minsan 14, 15. Kasi willing ako magsugal ng mga players ko. Yung ibang coaches, they're not willing to do that. But there's different ways of winning. Iba-ibang klaseng paraan naman yung paraan. So, sa kanila, yun ang paraan nila manalo. Kami, may ibang paraan kami.
Coach, marami nang nag-look forward sa game nyo against San Miguel. Now that you've achieved the win number 6, how are you treating this game? Is it a playoff game for you or perhaps even a championship game?
It's a playoff game. No? 5 talo lang isa sa San Miguel. From last conference pa. Hindi pa namin nasusolve si Julmar. Hindi pa rin namin nasusolve yung import nila. So, siguro mga 6 na laro pa siguro bago namin masolve yun. Pero masusolve din namin yun, darating din yung araw. Tingnan natin sa Thursday.
Susunod na kaya sa Thursday? 1 point lang yun.
1 point lang yun, pero mayroon magsalita. Tinambakan nila yung Ginebra ng 50 eh. So, iba plano ng San. Baka kami, mga 80 siguro. Alam, sobrang lakas na.
Okay.
Thank you. Coach. Last game,